is mightier than the sword. If the sword is very short and the pen is very sharp. We all know this quotes already, but the depth meaning is in this quote. Okay, now this is Navi from penhouse.in. Today we are going to review the Sheaffer 9017 model. It's a ballpoint pen. Okay, it's a retractable type ballpoint pen. So in this video we are going to see the overall length, weight and writing of the pen. So before going to our video, kindly subscribe to penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. Before reviewing this pen, we need to know the box, right? So we'll see the box first. This is Sheaffer. It's a plain and amazing elegant gift box with the brand name and then logo. You can open here. It will come here is a Sheaffer brand name logo. It's come with the elegant gift box. It's very comfortable. You can see here. Okay. When we open this, there is a manual here and it's a very comfortable space and it's very soft too. Now we'll review this pen. This overall body is made up of brass metal and look at the color. It's black. It's matte black finish and it's a retractable type ballpoint pen. There is a black trim rings here. They have mentioned a Sheaffer in the trims and it's a lightweight pen. And when comparing to other weight pens, it doesn't feel like I'm holding a pen. It's like very light. So now we'll see construction of the pen and we are back to our video. Now we'll calculate the overall length of this pen. It's 133.36 mm. It's a retractable type ballpoint pen. So we'll calculate the length. Now we'll calculate the overall length including the tip. It's 137.09 mm. Now I'll calculate the grip section diameter. It's 8.16 mm. Now we'll calculate the overall weight and back to our video. Now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this Sheaffer 9017 model retractable ballpoint pen. So we'll check the weight first. It's 17 gram. Now we'll remove this and then we'll check the weight and screwing this. First we'll check the cap weight. It's 7 gram. Now we'll check the barrel without refill. It's also 7 gram and it's equal. And this refill carries 4 gram. Now we'll back to our video. Now we saw the construction of the pen. As I said before, it's very lightweight pen and it looks amazing. When we look from far away, this will give a perfect look and because of this color and this it's a lightweight pen, so it's just amazing. We'll see the grip section first. Okay, this grip section, I feel it's like a slippery but because of this matte finish, it's not over slippery. While writing, we'll check that once. And it's nice. It's a retractable type ballpoint pen with medium tip and then black color refill. You can see here it's a retractable type and here we have a cute small clip that's a retractable type. This will come with a flat finial in the bottom. Now we'll see the refill type. We are unscrewing this. Okay, we'll keep this aside. Here is our refill. This is Sheaffer ballpoint pen medium refill with black color. You can see here. So for this Sheaffer refill, we can alternatively use Smith or Zinov brand refills. That spares are also available in penhouse.in. This Sheaffer brand refill is also available. Okay, now we'll do the writing sample. We'll check whether this is writing smooth or rough. We'll check that and we'll back to our video. Now we are going to do the writing sample of this Sheaffer 901 model retractable ballpoint pen. So we are going to write first penhouse.in. This is black color refill. Sheaffer. '9017 model ballpoint pen with medium tip. I'll write the alphabets. It doesn't seem like it's a medium tip. It feels like a fine tip, and it's very smooth. And this grip section, it's not slippery because of this matte finish. Okay. Now we'll do the smoothing test. It's very smooth, you can see here. I'll draw the horizontal line and vertical line. Nice. Now we'll back to our video. Now we did the writing sample. I felt like little bit slippery while holding this pen, but while writing I couldn't feel any slippery things, and that flawless writing, amazing. I need to speak about that, and it's in a dark color of writing. So it's just amazing as the pen and very cute. I love this pen. So who all can use this pen? So this is a medium tip and a retractable type for ballpoint pen. So all the adults, school students, office going, everybody can use this pen, and it's just amazing. So we came to the end of the session. While having this like this premium luxury pens, we need to properly maintain this pen, so that we need to have a pouch for separate pouch for this pen, because we don't have a proper clip to insert in a pocket. That may make into a lot of scratches in the pen, so that we need to always use a proper pouch that is available in penhouse.in. Different sizes according to your pens you can customize. That link is in the description. Whether Penhouse is only doing this types of pens and reviewing, not at all. We are retailing of different branded pens, and all the spares are available in penhouse.in. And we are doing MDF and acrylic products. These products usually will made in China, but now in India in penhouse.in we are manufacturing different branded like acrylic and MDF products, and different varieties, different collections. Own designs are always welcome. So if you want to know all the category of our products, link in the description. And we are manufacturing regular ballpoint pens, roller balls, and then fountain pens. All these pens including handmade pens, own design pens, silver pens. You all know that silver spoon, silver bowl, but we are manufacturing silver pens. Your own design like God design or your company design or your family, anybody's design can be customized in that pen. So your own designs are always welcome. So if you want to visit or directly to a shop, it's in Tambaram, Velachery and Solinganallur. You can purchase through online also. For some products, if you order a minimum or maximum count, there is a discount for some products. You can enjoy that too. If you want to know all the category of our products, link in the description. Kindly see to it. If you want to purchase this pen, link in the description. So stay tuned with us. Until next time, thanks for watching. Tada, bye bye.